This is a lawn leaf bag that I've received from the brand, and I want to show you how it looks on the bottom. When you unfold it, the bottom just pops right in, and so you don't have to worry about putting anything together. You just unfold the box. This replaces using trash bags to put your lawn debris into. And we all know how those sticks poke holes in the bags when they get turned around. You dump a bunch of debris that has sticks in it, you've got sticks poking out everywhere. These boxes stop that problem. They are so easy to just put things into. Another feature is that all the printing on the box is the kind that will not wash off in the rain. The boxes will hold up for several uses, and they've got ventilation holes in them. You can see them better on the inside. Maybe. I'm not sure you can. But there's lots of holes for ventilation. They're easy to dispose of. When it gets in bad enough shape, you just put it out by the road and they'll pick it up. They have flaps. They have a fill line, 30 gallons. And it's right along here. So if you get it that full, want to fold the flaps down, you can. Or you can fold the flaps down for stacking or storage. Or you can just fill the box up to the top. They'll pick it up. I'm going to be using this today for the first time, so I'll let you know how it went. Thanks to the brand for sending me this product to try out so I could make this video for you to watch. Here's my lawn leaf box, all filled with cuttings from the yard and ready to go out by the road tomorrow morning to get picked up. These boxes are so much easier to use than a trash bag. You can just pull the box along with you and drop the cuttings in as you cut them off. So it's very convenient. If you're in the market for something like this, I highly recommend it.